Welcome to Fat Tutorial. Let's make this beautiful birdhouse design in Solidworks. We are in Solidworks now. Go to the file, new, part, OK. Then select the top plane, sketch, go to the center rectangle and draw a rectangle. OK. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 15 and this dimension is 22. Okay, go to the offset entities and select 1 mm. Okay, and select this and make it reverse and okay. Go to the feature, extrude base, and we select the this contour, this one. Okay, and make it 22. Okay. Then select this portion, sketch, draw a center line. Okay, and draw a midpoint line. Okay, go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 1. Okay, and select the line again from here to here. Select the smart dimension and this dimension is 8. Go to the line again, something like this. And okay, select this dimension and this dimension is 10. Okay, and this dimension is 2 and this dimension is also 2 and this dimension is 8. Now sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature and extrude cut, blind to through all and okay. So this portion is ready. So then select this front plane, sketch, and select this portion and convert entities and go to the offset entities and make it 1 and okay. Then select the line, okay, and line okay. Okay, and go to the trim entities and remove this portion. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base, and it should be 24 and result should be unmerged and mid plane. Okay, so it is like this and close and select this portion again, sketch and convert entities and we have to select, go to the feature, extrude base up to 1 and okay, make it unmatched like this. Select this portion, sketch, go to the center line like this, so up to here, smart dimension, this is 6 and go to the circle and draw a circle. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 8. Go to the feature, extrude cut, and this should be 2. Okay, close. Then select this portion again, sketch, go to the center line, okay, go to the circle and draw a circle. this line is for construction. So go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 2, and go to this line, and this dimension is 1.15. okay, go to the feature, extrude base. So this dimension is 6, and make it 1. Okay. So this beautiful birdhouse design is ready. Now the next part is material, which we have to apply. So go to the appearances and go to this appearance color. So we have to go to the organic, go to the wood, and this time we will use peach. So this polish peach and grain is okay, so make it full white. So this is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. I will upload a similar type of tutorial regarding 3D modeling, animation and video editing on this channel. Thank you for watching.